Okay, in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the minor triad shapes on the guitar. A minor triad contains the root note, the minor third or the flattened third, and the perfect fifth. For these examples we're going to be working in A minor, so we've got notes A, C and E. Okay, and the first set of triads we're going to be playing on the top three strings, so the third, second and first string. The first shape is what we call the root position, where the root note, in this case the A, is actually on the bottom of the chord. Okay, so that shape looks like that. Okay, so we've got A, C and E. Okay, now if we take that root note and place it on top of the chord, that gives us what we call the first inversion. So now we've got notes C, E and E, and that little shape looks like that. So we've got a little bar on the 5th fret. Okay, now if we take that bottom note, the C, and put that on top, so now the root note's in the middle of the chord, we end up with what we call the second inversion, which is like that. Okay, so we've got the root position, the first inversion, and the second inversion. Like that. Okay, now if we move on to the next three strings, now we're going to be playing triads on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. Okay, so same kind of thing, we've got a root position shape with the root notes on the bottom, so we end up with that shape. So A, C and E, like that. Okay, and then we've got a first inversion where the root note's on top now, which looks like that. Okay, and then the second inversion, so now the root note's in the middle, which is right up there like that. So first finger's on that 13th fret. Okay, now triads on the next three strings, so now 5th, 4th and 3rd string. Okay, so we've got a root position triad which looks like that. Okay, so the first finger's on the 9th fret. Okay, then we've got the first inversion, so now we're going to play this one down here, so the root note's on top. Okay, so the second finger's on that 2nd fret. Then we've got the second inversion where the root note's in the middle, which looks like that. Okay, so then that brings us to the last three strings, so the 6th, 5th and 4th string. Okay, which the shapes on these strings are actually the same shapes as the previous three strings. Okay, so we've got a root position, which looks like that. Then we've got a first inversion with the first finger on the 7th fret like that. Okay, and then the second inversion with the first finger on the 10th fret, so now the root's in the middle, like that. Okay, and those are the minor triads on the guitar, so I hope you find that useful, and please check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you soon.